Hello, I thought I'd do a quick review of these batteries I ordered for my Hailstorm and Ratchet. The first thing I'd like to note about them is they came nicely packaged in a box, wrapped in individual bags, and they each came with a charger. And the batteries arrived at perfect storage. They were 3.85 volts per cell, which is great. So they became already pretty nice and balanced. And then I can show you here, I've charged them up and I've used them once. And then I recharged them to see if they'd hold. Let's hit the cell. Number one is at 4.15, and the next one is 4.149, which is pretty much almost identical. Let's check the second one and see how it did. Well, I see they're really close, so these things balance out nicely. And also you get two chargers, so that's great as well. Well, thanks for watching. I hope this helps you with your purchase. Have a good day.